Alright, so we've had a crazy 12 hours here in CBS with the weather. And
oh shit.
This is what we're up against here. Alright, we good?
Yeah.
Alright, well, this is the, well, it's still snowing. It's almost, definitely over 12 hours of snow here now. I mean, this is what we're up against here. So, as you can see, Sarah, how tall are you?
I don't know, 5'5"?
Yeah, there you go. That's a dandy snowdrift there. And we got a snowdrift, as you guys can see. This goes right down to the end of the driveway there, and it is quite the length. That's well over 100 feet there. There we go. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's well over 100 feet from here to the road. I really think we've got a few hours for sure of snow blowing here. So we'll get to that now shortly. It's about what, -5? About -5, and it's cold. It's a wind chill of -10, -15. We got quite a bit of work ahead of us. Alright guys, so here's our garage. 03 Silverado SS. Uses it daily. Put it away though a couple weeks ago, as Sarah has a new job and we don't need two vehicles going. Sarah's 2015 Mustang Fastback EcoBoost, great car, and my 15 ZL1, which I'm currently in the midst of working out a wrap with Corey Nolan at Nolan Graphics, and I'm pretty sure we got it narrowed down as to what we're going to go with for a wrap. If anyone cares to chime in on what they you know, your opinion on a design or a pattern, or you know, what we could incorporate into the wrap, it'd be greatly appreciated. I know we are going to be going with a loud wrap. You know, it's going to be pretty out there. So next, this is our 10 horsepower Yamaha blower. Thing is an animal. It does really well. As you'll see now in the next couple hours, what kind of snow this thing can throw, and we'll get to that there now. So we'll get ready and suited up, all ready to go. We'll get to it. Alright guys, so here we go. And we forgot the Mini. What? We forgot the Mini. It's our daily driver for a couple months. Man, this is definitely the biggest storm we've had in a while. Definitely, since last year, yeah. Our driveway always gets bogged. All right.
this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe at home? So that I count in days until the second blow. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around, just start to top the lows. It's all you need to do.
Have another drink, bye.
What?
Have another drink, bye. You really should have another drink. Here.
Ow.
Are you getting in? Anyways, guys, this here is the aftermath. Everything's cleaned up. Ran out of battery there yesterday, so we got it done. It's around another hour or so after that it took. So